Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Foodie. My name's Cam and today we're going to show you how to make the world's best cookies. You will need 2 cups of chocolate chips, 3 cups of self-raising flour, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of white fine sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, tablespoon of baking powder and a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 200 grams of butter, a sieve, a mixing bowl, a biscuit cutter, ice cream scoop or spoon, a whisk, wooden spoon and a rolling pin, baking tray with baking paper, also known as parchment paper. So you'll put the butter in the mixing bowl, heat it in the microwave, just like that. Any lumps, give it a good whisk. Pour in the white sugar. Now remember, it's white fine sugar, guys. Add in the soft brown sugar and whisk. And then add in your eggs. Give it a nice mix, gentle with the eggs, and then mix it all in together. You can really smell that nice syrupy smell from the brown sugar. I love brown sugar. Add in the vanilla extract. Give it a good stir. Now use your sieve, add 3 cups of self-raising flour. Now your baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give that all a nice good sieve. And you get a volcano. Right, ready for the eruption, guys. Give it a good stir. Gently. Oh, the aromas. There's nothing like the smell of cookie dough. Wonder what it would taste like with ice cream. Anyway, that's another one for another time. Cookie dough ice cream. Oh, that's just lovely.
White chocolate. Mum, so unfair.
Hey, I don't think so. Add 2 cups of chocolate chips. This batch of cookie dough will make anything from 20 to 24 gorgeous cookies. Now you leave it to chill for anything from 15 to 20 minutes. Now butter the tray and place the grease-proof paper on top. Now scoop the cookie dough and place on your baking tray.
And if you're after the perfectly shaped cookie, just roll out some cookie dough and use the circular cookie cutter. This is also really great for children if they want to make all sorts of shapes and sizes.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling,
Get your spatula and just put it on the baking tray. See you in a moment, guys. Place the baking tray in the oven. Always wear your oven gloves. The cookies are left in the oven for 15 minutes.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. You send me. You send me. Darling, you
If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a big thumbs up, and for more recipes, please subscribe. Enjoy your cookies.